What's up, Doc Mike? Today's topic for January 17, 2021, Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine and possible next steps. Thank you, Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health.
Pfizer reported some of the results from its big vaccine study. I think there are something like 46,000 patients. And they found that the people in the group that got the vaccine were 90% less likely to get COVID-19 than the people who got placebo. So that's a really strong showing of effectiveness. The company said that it needed to collect a few more weeks of safety data, and then it would bring that data in the form of an application to the Food and Drug Administration. From there, the Food and Drug Administration reviews the data and will convene an independent advisory committee to provide some input and then make a decision on making it available to groups in the United States. Well, the FDA has a few options. The traditional route is full licensure, otherwise known as approval. It's probably less likely in the short term because there are a number of steps associated with licensure and approval that take time and would probably take too long in this situation. The other options are emergency use authorization, which is a tool that the FDA has in a declared emergency like the pandemic to make medical products like vaccines available. It's also possible that the agency could use what's called an expanded access protocol, which basically considers it still investigational. I think the choice that the FDA has will depend in part on the strength of the evidence. And as the advisory committee is looking at the data, they'll have a sense of whether they're ready to go for emergency use authorization or whether to have an interim step, which might be essentially a broad protocol for certain groups of people to have access to the vaccine. Generally, the timeline is enough vaccine for a lot of people in high-risk groups by the beginning of 2021. And then it'll be into 2021, maybe the summer or the fall, where there's really vaccine everywhere for everyone. That is the hope.